A very good morning to my dear students. In our previous video, we discussed about the verbs. In a detail, we have discussed the verb, definition of the verb. What a verb is. It is not only a doing word, but the verb tells us that what a person is doing, what the person is and what the person has, what is possessed by the person. We discussed the whole verb in detail in my previous video. Now today in this video we will discuss the kinds of verb, transitive and intransitive verb. Before we discuss the transitive and intransitive verb, let us discuss the structure of a sentence first. In this sentence, Rubina is eating pizza. Rubina is a subject in this sentence. Subject, who is the subject? Subject is the doer of the action. The person or a thing who which perform action is a subject. And verb, you know, it's a doing word, and pizza is an object here. So in this sentence the action denoted by the verb, जो एक्शन वर्ब क्या डिनोट कर रहा है कि रुबीना कौन सा एक्शन कर रही है, ईटिंग का एक्शन कर रही है. एक्शन डिनोटेड बाय द वर्ब इज पासिस टू द एक्शन डिनोटेड बाय द वर्ब फ्रॉम द सब्जेक्ट इज पासिस टू द ऑब्जेक्ट. ऑब्जेक्ट तक जो सब्जेक्ट वर्ब ने जो एक्शन डिनोट किया है वो एक्शन सब्जेक्ट से ऑब्जेक्ट तक पास हो रहा है. जब एक्शन व्हेन एक्शन पासिस फ्रॉम द सब्जेक्ट टू द ऑब्जेक्ट देन इट इज कॉल्ड ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. जब an action does not pass, it is called intransitive verb. Now let us discuss transitive and intransitive verb in detail. Now, what are transitive verbs? Transitive verbs are the verb that needs an object. Intransitive verb does not need an object. I bought a car. Bought is a transitive verb. Why? Because action of the subject verb, action denoted by the verb is passes to the from the subject to the object. Is passes from the subject from to the object. ये जो एक्शन डिनोट कर रहा है वर्ब, वो सब्जेक्ट आई जो है वो किस पे पास हो रहा है एक्शन, ऑब्जेक्ट पे. आपको क्लियर मैं करती हूँ अभी. अगर इफ वी से आई बॉट व्हाट, द सेंटेंस इज नॉट कंप्लीट. अगर हम इसमें ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं लगाते तो सेंटेंस कंप्लीट नहीं होता. तो इसलिए हमें यहाँ पे सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट करने के लिए यहाँ पे हमने ऑब्जेक्ट लगाना पड़ेगा. आई बॉट व्हाट, आई बॉट अ कार. और इंट्रांसिटिव में एक्शन जो है वर्ब जो डिनोट एक्शन करता है वो सब्जेक्ट पे ही रह जाता है, वो ऑब्जेक्ट पे पास नहीं होता. यहाँ पे देखो द बेबी स्माइल्ड. स्माइल्ड इज अ एक्शन डिनोटेड बाय द वर्ब but it passes to the subject, but subject does not pass this action to the object. And the sentence is complete. This sentence is complete. In this sentence there is no need of an object. The baby smiled. The sentence itself is complete. We understand the complete meaning of the sentence. But in this case, I bought, we don't understand the complete meaning of the sentence unless or until we put an object here. Verbs that are transitive and intransitive. समटाइम कुछ वर्ब ऐसे होते हैं जो ट्रांजिटिव भी बिहेव करते हैं और इंट्रांजिटिवली भी बिहेव करते हैं. जैसे आई स्टॉप द कार, आई स्टॉप व्हाट. Here in this sentence we need, when we need a question, when we need the answer of the question what, then it means it is a transitive verb. ये एक पहचान है ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब को ऑब्जेक्ट को फाइंड करने की. आस्क अ क्वेश्चन, you ask a question, if you get the answer of the question then it is transitive verb. Ask what, I stopped what, the car, I stopped, so it is a transitive verb. The car stopped. The action of the verb does not pass to the object because there is a no object and there is a no need of the object because the sentence is complete. If I simply say I stopped, but immediately the question comes to our mind that I stopped what? I stopped the car. Sometimes the meaning of the verb changes depending on whether the verb is transitive. हाँ, कई बार इस तरह के भी वर्ब्स आते हैं कि हमें उससे उससे ये लगता है कि मीनिंग से ही वर्ब पता चल जाता है कि मीनिंग से ही वर्ब ट्रांजिटिव या इंट्रांजिटिव बन जाता है। जैसे ही रन्स अ स्मॉल ग्रोसरी शॉप, ही रन्स व्हाट, we need answer a small grocery shop. So when we get the answer of the question, so it is a transitive verb. He runs along the beach every morning. Here runs is a intransitive. Action of the verb from the subject does not pass to the object. There is a no object. Along the beach every morning, we don't get the answer to the he runs what. So it is a intransitive verb. Now I'll give you the examples of transitive and intransitive verb. He asked what? A question. So it is a transitive verb. He offered what? He offered food to the beggar. He packed what? He packed the bag. She filled what? The water bottle. When we get the answer of our question what, then it is a transitive verb. Sometimes transitive verb take two objects, one of which is thing and other is a person. कई बार दो डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट भी होते हैं. दे बॉट अ गिफ्ट. दे बॉट व्हाट? अ गिफ्ट. फॉर whom? हर. So this is a direct object and this is a indirect object. He bought what? जब आपको what का आंसर चाहिए तो वो डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट है. To whom? For whom? जब आपको whom का आंसर चाहिए तो वो इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट है. सिमिलरली नेक्स्ट है नमन थ्रू द बॉल एट हर. नमन थ्रू what? नमन थ्रू what? बॉल at her. To whom? Whom is a indirect object. Naman threw what? The ball is a direct object. ये डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट है, ये इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट है. नेक्स्ट इज द नर्स गेव पिल्स टू द सिक लेडी. The nurse gave the nurse gave the nurse gave some pills to the nurse gave what? Some pills. Some pills is what का आंसर? डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. To whom? Sick lady is a indirect object. Indirect object. Nalini paid money to the newspaper. Nalini paid what? Money is a direct object. And to whom? To the newspaper vendor. It is a indirect object. It is indirect object. Now next, intransitive verb. In this sentence, in this verb you can see the action of the verb does not pass from the subject to the object. Birds fly. Fly is a verb and action this is a intransitive verb because action of the subject, ये subject है, bird subject है, इसका action जो है object पे pass नहीं हुआ. आपको sentence ऐसे ही clear हो गया this और sense निकल रही है birds fly. So this is a intransitive verb. The girl smiled. यहाँ पे भी action जो है subject का वो object पे नहीं pass हुआ तो ये intransitive. Smiled is a intransitive verb. The eagle is a subject, has landed. So it is again intransitive verb. The match was won. Match was won is a intransitive verb. The song was sung. And there is a no, you will not get the answer of what. The song was sung. You don't need to get the answer of what. It is the song is a subject, was sung is a intransitive verb. Now, there are some verbs of incomplete prediction. There are some words like the verb, some verb that does not take an object but require another word or group to complete it. ऑब्जेक्ट तो नहीं है उसमें, बट उसे कई बार वर्ब को कोई ऐसे वर्ड की ज़रूरत पड़ती है जो उसकी मीनिंग, द सन शाइन या सन शोन, कैसे किसी टाइम हम पूछते ना हाउ द सन शाइन, कैसे शाइन कर रहा था, व्हाट का आंसर नहीं मिल रहा, पर उसमें और मीनिंग ऐड कर दिया हमने। द डे, कैसा था डे, द डे वॉज विंडी, द ब्राइटली एंड विंडी आर रिक्वायर्ड टू कंप्लीट द मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ब। इनका मीनिंग कंप्लीट करने इनको, इसलिए इनको कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ द वर्ब कहते हैं। A verb which need the help of some word or group of word to complete its meanings are called verb of incomplete prediction. I hope this topic is clear to you. In my next video, we will discuss a next topic of the grammar portion. Till then, thank you.